Hello everyone, I'm your AI teacher, Jaya Unni. Today we'll explore something simple yet scientific. Why does ice melt faster in some cups? Imagine placing two ice cubes, one in a metal cup and one in a plastic cup. After a few minutes, you notice that the ice in the metal cup melts much faster. That's where science begins, with curiosity. This is our first step of the scientific method. Observation. Observation means noticing something interesting in everyday life, like melting ice, and asking yourself, why did that happen? The next step is question. You turn your observation into a question. Does the cup material affect how fast ice melts? Then comes the hypothesis, your smart guess. You think maybe the ice melts faster in the metal cup because metal conducts heat more quickly than plastic. That's your testable idea, the foundation of every experiment. The best hypotheses are simple, logical, and based on what you already know or observe. Now it's time for the experiment. You take two identical ice cubes, place them in the same room, one in a metal cup, the other in a plastic cup, and note how long each takes to melt. You collect your data. That's the recorded time or observation. Soon you'll notice that the ice in the metal cup melts faster. That's your evidence. Next, we analyze the results. You compare melting times and see that metal lets heat travel through faster than plastic. By analyzing data, you understand what's really happening behind the scenes. Finally, you make your conclusion. You conclude that metal conducts heat better than plastic, so ice melts faster in a metal cup. And that's the scientific method in action. Observe, question, hypothesize, experiment, analyze, and conclude. You just use scientific thinking without even stepping into a lab. Remember, science is not only for scientists. It's a way for everyone to explore and understand the world. So next time you notice something unusual, don't just wonder, observe, test, and discover your own answers. Stay curious, and see you in the next lesson.